Ever wished you could create an animated dancing character like those cool 3D anime figures? Well, guess what? I've got something super fun to share with you today. Imagine taking any regular video and turning it into this mesmerizing 3D anime-style dance animation. Exciting, right? Now, back in the day, creating this kind of animation was like trying to crack a secret code, but not anymore. Thanks to the wonders of artificial intelligence, it's become a breeze. Let me walk you through it. First things first, you'll need to hop onto Deep Motion, this awesome platform that's going to be our AI genie for this magical transformation. Step 1. Head on over to the Deep Motion website. Don't worry, I'll leave a link below. Signing up, piece of cake. And guess what? It's totally free. No credit card shenanigans. Once you're in, it's time to create your star. Hit that Animate 3D button. They've got this cool collection of avatars, stylish ones, realistic ones, you name it. Pick the one that clicks with you, or hey, you can even bring your own 3D model if you're a game developer or working on visual effects. But for now, let's go with an easy template. Just tap on it to start. Get your hands on that customization. Want to make it look like you or create a brand new persona? Play around until it's perfect. Name your character, hit save, and voila. Alrighty, back to business. Hit create animation and make sure that 3D animation switch is on. Step 2. Add your dancing video. It's time to bring in the action. To add a video, simply drag and drop it into the tool. Don't have one? No problem. Places like pexels.com have loads of dance videos for free. Now you want to make sure your video doesn't have more than 2 people in the frame and doesn't cut off any body parts. For a top-notch experience, you want to go for full HD. Drag the video into the tool, rename it, then let it analyze and finally crop or trim away the fluff. Let's now smooth things out. In the animation output settings, you want to enable the physics filter for smooth animation without glitches. Also, you want to flick on the face and hand tracking. In the video output section, select Enable MP4 output and choose the cinematic camera mode for a dynamic feel. Set the background color to studio. Hit that Create button, sit back, and let the tool do its thing. Once it's done processing, you can see your animated characters busting moves just like in the video. Now hit that download button and grab your masterpiece in MP4 format. Step 3. Jazz it up with a video editor. Now, to make your anime dance video look even more presentable, you can use your preferred video editor to place your dancing anime character onto a downloaded dancing set. Here's a cool trick. After importing the video file and your dancing set into your video editor, you want to make sure that the dancing set image file is below the video. Now it's time to get rid of the video background. It's like a magic trick on CapCut Video Editor. Just pick your video file, and on the right here, click on Cutout and then on Auto Cutout. That will expose the dancing set or stage. Next is adjusting your dancer to fit correctly on your dancing set or stage. Also, you can further edit the video as you desire. When you are all set, hit Export, save it on your device, and there you have it. You've just turned a plain ordinary video into this captivating 3D anime-style dance, using deep motion and a dash of CapCut magic. You can try these AI tools yourself by clicking the links below this video. Hey, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more cool tutorials like this one.